been raining all night long. It's cold. Do you see the steam? I don't know. Yeah, a little bit. Good morning, Nene! The day can start now, and I always like this expression. Coffee doesn't ask stupid question in the morning. Even Nene is laughing at me. Let's hope for a better day. Ja, det är nytt i det. Ja. Good morning, Indonesia. Good morning, the world. Hey, good morning, Nene. All right. Yesterday, no vlog. My little dog passed away, so I try to transform this sadness into something positive today. I'm gonna go for a quick vlog today. Just talk about a few things like chocolate, vanilla, and coffee. You gotta remember that long time ago, these things were based, trade, and made possible because of slaves. Today we've changed things around, but it's still not the way it should be. We should include the farmers inside the value chain, and by just being a brand, wanted to profit share as much as it can to the farmers, to support them, to bring experts, to do the latest technique into fermentation and so on, roasting, how to process chocolate in a way that you get that product that is perfect all the time, that is 100% organic. And then profit share that also goes into the company into growing a little bit more, but healthy growing. And then there's nobody on the top because it's created by you, funded 100% by people. So basically we can really make a difference in this world by just being the brand that connects you to the farmer. We're not looking for to become $10 billion rich like these big companies that produce chocolate, or I'm not gonna cite names or things like that, or coffee or vanilla. We want to change things around. It's 2018. We should do that together. How about we become the first company in the world founded by you and me to change things? Lots of profit for the farmers, to sustain the quality, to do better, to support them with knowledge and all that. We are vertically integrated. That means we control the whole process all the way from the tree. We want also nurseries and all that. A lot of things behind. And then we provide to you the quality, the excellent quality at a price that is lower than the competition. Why? Because we are funded by you. We don't need to push for low cost of this and that and shortcuts things, right? The management of this company, like me and all that, I don't consider myself like management. I'm just in love with beautiful produce, and that's all. All right, I have skills, and I have skills not yet there, and I'm working on it, but I'm not looking for a high salary thing like that. You know, with $1,500, I live perfect every month here. I don't need more. All right. So this is how we're gonna base things, right? Management, like me or Sinta or anybody else that will come bit by bit, do not need high salary. The profit goes to the farmer to grow more quality, to sustain, and to be able to help the families and so on, keep the traditions, the privileges in the valley and so on. And then we also going to provide you products, vanilla, chocolate, coffee, honey, anything that is medicinal also, that is delicious, that is nutritious, that is 100% organic at a lower price than the competition. It's easy as that. We want to be the first company, the first brand in the world, a cool brand. Man, there's some artists who contacted me to try to design our packaging. How awesome is that, right? And then we have other experts, collaborators that are really good at roasting or making chocolate that also contacted us. So this is where we are today. We just passed the bar of the $5,000. We need another 10 to 15,000 to start things. We have a phase one. Send me email mamulahood@gmail.com. I will send you all the details you need to know. We're here to change the world, but I need your help. Like, share, and maybe subscribe to this channel. Little thought for my little dog out there. I will see you when I'm ready to join you. This is life, guys. This is life. Not looking for a big house or a big TV or a big fucking Ferrari in my garage. No, I'm here for the world. I travel a lot in my life, and I understood one thing, is that chicken makes a lot of noise. Understand one thing, and it's the fact that people are just here for the people. We have to inverse. We're not at the top of the chain, we're at the bottom, and our responsibility with our responsibilities with our beautiful brain that Mother Nature put in us is to look after the top. That means look after everything around us and not destroy things. All right? This is how I see things. So if you share my philosophy, send me an email. Let's work together. Let's push things. You pledge, you will receive gift from us. It could be vanilla extract, it could be chocolate, it could be jams, it could be medicinal honey from the stingless bees. It could be many things. You will have the choice. All right. You have a good day. Love you. You take care. From this big valley with a big jungle, beautiful. I don't know if you can see here the hill. There you go. That's just amazing. You take care. Have a good day. Goodbye. So in Bali, there's many ways to ride a bike, and I'm going to show you a few ways. How? So there you go. If you want to ride here in Bali, you gotta choose your style, guys. You really gotta be careful of what you're choosing, because every style has a meaning. Good day.